Hey, what's up guys? We are in Redrock Canyon.
Hello.
Just doing a little bit of hiking. Get some fresh air. It's relaxing over here. Different views. Feel like I'm not in Vegas. It's nice outside. It's almost 70 degrees today. So we're just enjoying our outdoor Sunday fun day.
What's up, guys?
Careful down there. You don't want to fall. Check this out, guys. Look at this view. Got orange rocks. It's not red, but it's orange. But it's red rock. Are you guys enjoying outdoor living?
Yeah, I'm looking for the squirrel.
Oh, there's a lot of squirrel right there in your hair.
Yeah.
Hello. We are hiking. What trail are we in? Willow Spring Loop. We're in a Willow Spring Loops. Hopefully we'll make it back home.
We did in Las Vegas, not
Look at
Las
that.
Vegas.
This is about
But not Las Vegas.
an hour and 25 minutes hike.
Yeah,
So it's supposed to be
my
kids friendly. That's what they said. We'll see.
Not for our feet.
See you guys in a bit.
Bye. Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We ended up going to a lost creek. It's better for my 4-year-old. It's a good exercise. I need some exercise anyway. Shout!
You're not seeable.
Here we are. We made it.
You made it.
I hit my head. Gotta put my eyes on my
Daddy
head.
hit his head on a branch.
I think I'm gonna get a concussion.
Here.
There's no waterfall.
Yeah, today there's no waterfall. It's kind of dry today.
What?
But we're gonna go inside the cave in a minute. Just taking a break.
Taking the break is real.
Why do you keep repeating my
Yeah, why
words?
do you keep repeating Daddy?
Okay, sit down. Don't stand up down there. You're
You
gonna fall
almost hit
down.
your head.
Almost in here.
Sweetie,
But
sweetie.
why? Here.
What's up?
Shoes. Put your legs, bend your legs.
On my butt.
What's wrong with your butt?
Why'd you scream that? My butt.
Ow.
He was alive outside, out front.
Kilos.
I need this.
You guys enjoying outdoor?
Yeah.
This is the most
Outdoor
success
life.
I'm gonna get in a week.
Ow, my
Actually,
butt.
okay, stay.
So let's go. Go walk down there.
Okay.
We're gonna walk
We're doing the
right down
cave.
there.
We're doing
Be careful. See? Oh, there you go. Too many rocks.
Yeah.
Rocks all over the places.
Yeah, there's so many rocks. Yeah.
Usually there's water over here, but it's dry. Look, right now there's no water. That's where I went the last time. Took a video.
Look how high that is.
Oh my god. Oh, good. Rocks.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, okay.
Huh?
I think that's it.
I'm cold.
You guys made it safe? That's alright?
Yeah.
Okay. We're back. They made it.